Hello everyone, get ready to explore some of the most exciting ship launch stories. We've gathered spectacular footage from ports and shipyards across the globe, featuring everything from grand ceremonial launches to unexpected mishaps and dramatic crashes. Welcome aboard, let's dive in. The launch of a 90-ton expedition yacht at the port of Anacortes, Washington ended in a catastrophic failure. Within minutes of the $6 million luxury vessel being lowered into the water, it tipped onto its left side and sank to the bottom. A representative from the shipbuilding company, which had previously constructed 35 vessels, attributed the mishap to a problem with the platforms supporting the yacht's left stern. It is believed the platforms may have slipped off the edge of the launching ramp, causing the yacht to tilt sharply to the left, a critical issue for such a lightweight vessel. A tragic incident occurred at the port of Colón, Panama, where two 400-ton cranes were employed to unload the 40-meter superyacht Tecnomar Nadara. Despite these measures, the yacht sustained significant damage when the crane's pulley system unexpectedly malfunctioned, causing it to crash heavily onto the deck. The launch of heavy barges and tankers is truly impressive. Those on deck had better hold on tight to maintain their balance. A truly unique way to experience a water launch is by boarding an amphibious tour bus. This unusual mode of transportation is gaining popularity around the world. In Rotterdam, for instance, about 50,000 people take these canal tours annually. In Budapest, Hungary, the river ride operates 3 to 4 times daily, year-round, moving between the streets and the Danube River. Ironically, despite its regular routes, emergency services still occasionally get calls from concerned locals who believe the bus has fallen into the water.
Sí, es muy bien.
The spectacle is comparable to the launch of a cruise ship or a warship. Self-elevating drilling rigs are massive floating factories, often exceeding 100 meters in height and weighing tens of thousands of tons. Established in 1838, the Jeff Boat Shipyard in Jeffersonville, Indiana, stood as the largest builder of inland vessels in the United States for decades, renowned for its expertise in constructing large dry cargo and tank barges. However, shifting market dynamics eventually took their toll on the historic company. In the spring of 2018, the iconic Jeff Boat brand saw its final barge launched from the shipyard's docks. HMS Anson, a British submarine named after the 18th century admiral who circumnavigated the globe, is in its final stages of preparation for its maiden dive. Part of the Astute class, the most advanced in the UK Navy, it is powered by a nuclear reactor that operates without refueling for 25 years and can achieve speeds of up to 30 knots. Thanks to its air and water purification systems, HMS Anson can travel around the world without needing to surface.
In case that breaks. Wow.
The scale and complexity of certain maritime operations are truly astonishing. A prime example is the launch and assembly of a stationary oil platform by engineers and workers in the South China Sea near the coast of Vietnam.
Attention forward. We're going forward.
Ja, rokarm staat naar beneden.
The Eli is a unique hybrid of a container and roll-on, roll-off ship purpose-built for wheeled cargo transport. Running on liquefied natural gas, it achieves a 36% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to conventional fuels. At 220 meters long, this vessel can accommodate 300 refrigerated containers and approximately 400 vehicles.
Once.
A tugboat participating in the USS Cleveland's water launch got too close and was swept up by a small tsunami.
Did he? Yeah. Oh yeah, he did. Knew that was going to happen.
In the town of Foxhall, a Dutch shipyard launched a robust cement carrier 66 meters long and 12.8 meters wide. Its dramatic launch created a spectacular wave that thrilled onlookers along the shore. Designed with sealed holds and specialized equipment, these vessels handle powdered materials like cement, aluminum oxide, and gypsum. This specific carrier, named Cabo Galeno, was constructed to serve oil rigs in the Gulf of Mexico. The launch in another tragic incident involving a crane and faulty rigging. A stunning Altair 64 motor yacht worth at least $500,000 sank in Buenos Aires while being loaded onto a ship for delivery to Dubai. Instead of reaching its owner, the yacht went down in Argentina. Divers later recovered it, only to find that the luxurious interior was completely destroyed beyond repair. The atmosphere is tense as workers release the inclined launch rails, enabling the 26,000-ton container ship to slide forward under its own weight. Now, all they can do is trust that the calculations were accurate. $16 million rescue vessel built by the LTER shipyard for the Hong Kong Fire Department measures 40 meters in length and features an impressive self-righting mechanism. This system prevents the vessel from capsizing even in severe weather conditions. Equipped with a stabilizing lever that adjusts between 0 degrees and 19 degrees, the ship can automatically return to an upright position if it begins to tilt. When this fishing vessel was launched in Taiwan, its decoration appeared to take priority over accurate engineering calculations. Improperly positioned ballast caused a dangerous list, but thankfully, no serious problems arose, and the vessel was successfully commissioned. Vessel launches at the Ferris SMI shipyard in Westerbork, Netherlands, showcase the company's craftsmanship. Founded in 1910, the shipyard specializes in designing and constructing hulls, bulk carriers, tankers, and specialized vessels with a deadweight capacity of up to 30,000 tons. A disastrous attempt to launch a boat from a South African beach. Now they'll need to figure out how to rescue the SUV. The ship's preparation didn't go as planned at the shipyard in Spain.
Non dà tempo, ora sta cogliendo via. Oh, no, vai.
An epic test for a rescue lifeboat, a free fall from a height of 40 meters. This 11-meter aluminum search and rescue vessel, designed in the Netherlands, can carry up to 70 passengers. The freefall lifeboat is built for quick emergency evacuations. Usually attached to the side of a ship, it launches by sliding down a ramp, hitting the water at a distance with significant forward momentum. However, its effectiveness depends on proper installation, which isn't always straightforward on the first attempt. This river adventure is off to a very rough start. Quantum-class cruise liners have officially made their debut, departing from the massive dock in Papenburg, Germany. With a volume of 4.72 million cubic meters, this dock ranks as the 5th largest structure in the world by usable volume, a size necessary for constructing some of the planet's largest ships. The Quantum of the Seas, spanning 347 meters, can accommodate 4,950 passengers and 1,500 crew members. Its onboard amenities are nothing short of extraordinary, featuring pools, cinemas, casinos, a rock climbing wall, and even a skydiving simulator. The dramatic tilt added excitement to the launch of the Clipper at the Romanian shipyard in Galați. The Shabab Oman, a 3-masted sail and motor ship, was constructed for the Royal Navy of Oman as a training vessel. It features a crew of 58 and can accommodate up to 34 cadets or passengers.
I'd rather stand there and wait. The wave comes over here and go get wet.
Some shipbuilders utilize steep side slipways for launches, resulting in particularly striking entries into waterways. In 2012, the Ruben Lasker research vessel experienced a dramatic launch from a side slipway. The forces of gravity, inertia, and hydrodynamics combined to create a spectacular wave as it entered the water. This vessel was commissioned by the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, which operates under the Department of Commerce. In another remarkable event, the massive CM Asante has been unveiled at the Kadian shipyard in RKA. This colossal car carrier boasts the capacity to transport up to 7,000 vehicles in its cargo bays. A splendid ceremony celebrated the launch of the Sunflower Ferry, designed to connect Japan's islands as it departed the shipyard in Shimonoseki.
The boat turned out.
The launch ceremony for the new PSV Star World Diamond was held at a shipyard in Romania. This versatile vessel, with a dead weight capacity of up to 6,300 tons, is designed for transporting various types of cargo and ferrying crews to offshore drilling platforms. Additionally, the World Diamond is equipped with advanced firefighting systems and tools for recovering oil products from the water's surface. An unconventional ship designed to provide a variety of services for offshore platforms, including transporting goods on its open deck and extinguishing fires at oil rigs. Initially, the vessel's weight exceeded the capacity of the small crane, creating a potentially disastrous situation. However, the operator skillfully managed to resolve the issue, keeping the crane steady on the dock and ensuring the boat was safely launched into the water. The Freedom-class coastal combat ships were launched at the Marinette Shipyard in Wisconsin. Following U.S. tradition, the ship's sponsor, typically a woman, delivers a ceremonial address, officially names the vessel, and breaks a champagne bottle against its bow. Notably, LCS-23 was christened Cooperstown to honor baseball players who served in World War II. This marks a test dive for another submarine from the same class, Audacious. During trials at the Devonport dock, the 7,400-ton submarine was evaluated for its stability and the performance of all its onboard systems. The cable burning ritual adds an impressive and symbolic touch, giving the event a genuine sense of celebration. Meanwhile, the launch of new tugboats highlights the unsung heroes of maritime work, tirelessly serving rivers and waterways around the globe.